Welcome to all. Now, in basic electrical engineering, today we will discuss what is the line and phase voltage and current in polyphase or three-phase system. In last two lectures, we will discuss what is the phases or what is the phase displacement in terms of phase system and what is the balanced and unbalanced system. So if we consider a phase having an impedance Z in which there is a resistance and some reactance also, so we can say there is a impedance in that phase. This is point, let us say this is point A, this is point A dash, or we can say R. In case of R, R dash, Y, Y dash, B, B dash, so we have three phase system. So we name R, R dash, this is Y, Y dash, and again third phase B, B dash. If we consider the voltage across this first phase, let us say R to R dash, V R R dash, and that is the vector quantity. So we can say V Y Y dash, and voltage across this B phase V B B dash. If we will go for the balance system, this is our balance system in which magnitudes are equal and phase displacement between the phases is 120 degree. So if we consider V R R dash, this phase, V Y Y dash, and this is V B B dash. So if this is our 0 degree and reference voltage, so we can write this V R R dash, which is equal to magnitude of V R R dash sine omega t plus 0 degree. Right, because the phase displacement between this phase and to the reference point is 0 degree. So we can say V R R dash, let us say the magnitude of these three, V R R dash, V Y Y dash, and V B B dash, let us say equal, which is Vm mod of V. So we can write this Vm sine omega t plus 0 degree. In term of polar form, we can write Vm angle 0 degree, the magnitude and the angle. In case of second phase, V Y Y dash, from clockwise or we can say anti-clockwise, the angle is magnitude of V Y Y dash sine omega t plus 120 degree, sorry, 240 degree. From this, the angle is 240 degree from the positive sequence or anti-clockwise So this is plus 240 degree, right? So we can also write this mod of Vm angle plus k 240 degree. In case of in negative sequence, we can write or Vy dash sin omega t minus k 120 degree, and in this case Vm angle minus k 120. Now if we adjoin these three faces, so we have two combinations. Here, this is R dash, Y dash, this is B dash, and this is neutral point. We connect these 3 points, right? So that we can also make this in this way. R dash, Y dash, B dash, and we make this star connection by using this. Now what is the line and phase voltage? So this is the voltage across R dash, VR dash, this is Y dash, and this is V dash, and the current, let us say this is IR, this is IY, and this is IB. And the voltage across these two lines, let us say this is R line, this is R point, you can write this here R, this is Y point, you can say this is Y phase, and this is B point, so we can say this is B phase. So the voltage across these 2 points is called VRY, and this is VYB, and the whole voltage across these VRB. Is again the vector quantity. All the quantities are vector. This one. Now, can we say, or can we compare the voltage across the phases R dash, and where is the circuit is formed? This is a circuit, which is a closed circuit because there is a voltage applied, and if that voltage is applied to these 2 phases, means 2 phases adjoin, what is, we can say VRY, VYB, or VBB dash, sorry, VR. These 3 voltages and these 3 voltages R dash, Y dash, and VB dash. So 2 phases, we move from R to Y. From this here, we move from, start from R and from end at Y. So R to Y, R to Y means in case of star connection, a line will be, this is the line voltage, these are the line voltages, these are the phase voltages. Right. Voltage across phases is called phase voltage, and when two phases are connected, we can create a line in case of star connection. I explain again. This is our one closed path, one closed circuit, which is, we can say, a line in which two phases are connected in series. Right, so this is basically line voltages RY, YB, YB and BR. Three, right, double subscript with different nomenclature. RY, YB, BR is called line voltages. Double subscript with, right, a similar designation R dash, Y dash, B dash is called phase voltages. Right, in the similar way, right, in case of delta, this is open circuit, we can also connect it in this way. Let us say this is R, this is Y, this is B. Let us say this is R dash, this is Y dash, and this is B dash. Voltage across this B dash, R dash, and this is Y dash. Again, three values. Voltage across R and Y, VRY, voltage across Y and B, VYB, and voltage across B and R, right, VBR. So again, three voltages, VRY, YB or VR, and voltage across R, Y and B from itself, right. These are called phase voltages and line voltages. Again, the current here, IR, IY and IB, and IRR dash, IYY dash and BB dash. So here, current from R to R dash, R dash, Y dash, B dash. These are phase current. Phase current. Right. In case of current flowing inward or outward to that terminal R, right, it is termed as line current. So here IR, IY, IB, in case of star connection, right, we can say line current. In case of delta, here IR, IY, IB, and here IBB dash, IRR dash, and here IYY dash. Right, these three current, right, is called phase current. This current, this current, this current is called phase current, and this current, and this current is called line current. So in such a way we will explain line and phase voltage and current in case of star, in case of delta connection. In next lecture we will start from star connection and find the relationship between the voltages of phase and line and the current relationship of line current and phase current in case of a star and delta connection. Thank you.